Unajua how you look for it on the glove
compartment hadi iko chini ya seat. Ati babe nishike. Hey guys, welcome to BK Leisure. Today we are at Wings. We are eating some wings.
Some nice wings.
While answering questions. So guys, listen. So we're gonna be eating wings and answering questions. See, the hotter the questions, the hotter the wings we're eating. So it's gonna be amazing because these wings, it's like from the yummiest to the hottest.
From the mildest to the hottest.
Mildest to the hottest. So if I ask Betty a mild question, we eat a mild wing. And if I ask Betty a hot question, we have a hot wing.
Do you think that there's any hot question that I've never answered in this country?
Okay.
I've answered all the hot questions, but you know what? Let's see if they answer the burning sensations.
Huh?
Oh my god, that sounds so wrong. Burning sensations.
Funny, what can it be?
Burning sensations, guys. Grown-ups, you know what I'm talking about.
Me, I don't get.
Burning sensations.
Let's eat. Stop laughing. I don't get it.
The grown-ups, if you get in the comment, please just say you get
Please
in the
just
comment.
in the comment section, please tell me what burning sensations are.
Grown-ups, you know what burning sensations
I don't
are?
understand.
Okay, you will when you grow up.
No, I think I'm old enough. Please, guys,
No,
in the
no,
comment
no.
section, please tell me what it means. Yeah, let's start
Alright,
eating.
no, but first we also have to say that these questions came from Instagram. I asked all of you, okay, not all of you, I just asked a question on Instagram and I asked you to ask me the most burning question you ever have about BK. And therefore I promise I'll have the answers today. And so, I'm very hungry, and actually the very important thing is to have milk, because a tip, guys, if you're eating food with a lot of chili, always have some yogurt or some milk next to you. Water makes it worse, but milk or yogurt actually cools everything down. All right, and as you can see, with the look, BK, I don't disappoint. As you can see, the henna is on point. There you go. And you make the look.
Mimi msinionyeshe. Msikuambiwa nakuja huku.
Ulijua,
Sikuambiwa.
Alright, so let's get straight to it. Remember, guys, to subscribe. Remember to subscribe to Bessie Keller lately. Alright, let's do this. What's the first question?
On to the first question. So this is a question that has been asked by so
I don't want
many
to answer
people.
those ones. If you've asked this
So
question, I keep answering the same
many
questions.
people.
Is it about the house help?
Chill. Do you want to answer that?
I don't know. Let's first go.
Answer that.
No, let's go with your first question.
Alright, the first question is, what does it take to be your boyfriend?
Right. That's a hot one. That's a mild one, actually.
It's mine.
It's mild.
Yeah.
So, what it is to be my boyfriend? First of all, you have to love Jesus. Ooh. You have to love Jesus. Second thing, you have to be hardworking. Me, I ain't dating anybody who's not hardworking. I want a guy who's gonna wake up in the morning and hustle with me, or at least even if you're gonna stay at home and my money is working for you, you better have money.
Wait.
Hey.
So
I don't want some.
So unasema utaki freelancer.
Okay, I'm not saying I don't want I want a hard-working freelancer. Like, you know what? I work too hard not to have a partner who also, even if we won't get as much money, but hard work is a must for me. And the third thing is somebody who is potentially going to meet Ivana, because that's the most important thing in my life. If I've never introduced you to Ivana, just know bado hujafikia bei.
Unajua acha tu.
You have to meet Ivana. If you haven't met Ivana, just know bado uko offside. By the way, bado uko offside vibaya sana.
You've not mentioned things like generosity.
We can work on that. But I think by the time you're meeting me and by the time I'm liking you as a guy, you have to have those things. Those are things that are not supposed to be demanded from you. Get? I'm not supposed to ask you be kind. You should innately be kind. Me, if you meet me, I'm kind. But you can be kind and not hardworking.
Yeah.
I ain't looking for you.
Yeah.
You get? So I think those things should come. By the time I'm approaching, by the time I'm talking to you, you should be. For a fact, those are the basics for me.
So on this question, would you date a guy who does not give tips? Or who gives very little tips hadi you are embarrassed, you're just like...
Me, by the way, if you're a guy out there and you want to date me, if you don't give tips, those your story may die.
Ama anapenda
Because I feel
tips
like
za madharau.
tips
Ati
kama zile
30
points. That day.
I said you'd rather not
we've
give.
eaten a meal of like what? We've eaten a meal of like what?
4,000.
6,000, 10,000, 15,000 plus bottles of champagne. Then you give a 30 bob tip. Imagine mimi nitakuacha tu hapo. Utalipa hiyo bill and I'll go to my car and you'll never hear from Betty again.
Really?
Yeah, I'll just be blue ticking you. I can't. I think it's I think humility and generosity is a very important thing. So me, for a guy who doesn't give tips, just forget about me. Betty. Na si tips za madharau, 10 bob. Ka 20, umekaona hapa hivi umekaona. Unajua how you look for it on the glove.
Kwa glove compartment hadi iko chini ya seat. Ati babe nishike.
Ati nikale.
Ati babe umeiona? Kuna ka 15 hapo, hebu toa mpe.
Gosh, me that one, yeah. Okay, fine. So here goes the first meal.
Oh, cheers. Guy.
Would you date a guy who doesn't give tips?
At the moment.
Does Ken give tips?
He does.
10.
No.
30.
No.
60. Yako instatu.
50 kuendelea. No. We are young. We're trying to get money. So if he gives a 30 bob tip, I really don't mind if that's what he's left with.
Okay.
Kama tumekula 5,000.
Unapata 10? 5,000 give somebody 10 bob?
No, if that kama alikuwa amebeba 5,030, kama hiyo ndio iko sio ndo anapeana. For me it's okay because I know the guys I'm dating at this moment are guys
You're
who are
dating
hustling.
many guys.
No, the guys I'd be dating at this moment are guys who are hustling. They're in their early 20s, so they're really hustling. So 30 bob isn't bad if that's what is there. Kini kama anatoa 30 bob na ameacha maso ma 50-50 hapo, those is poor.
You know those guys, unapita pesa hivi, unapita. Hata unapita 50 bob, wanatafuta kutu coins kwa hapo kwa gari tumeanguka.
Imagine.
Mwache utapia.
Yes or no? Do you know how to ride a bike?
No.
Why? Yes.
But I met somebody who
I met somebody
who's gonna show me how to ride a bike. We have a lesson planned.
Will you? Oh. After a minute I learn. Alright.
I know. It does
cheers
it
to
professionally. It does it professionally.
Professionally. Oh. Yeah. Does he have 3?
He has only one, but it's a high performance bike. But he says he's gonna ask his friends for me to get a training bike. Cheers to me knowing how to ride a bike. Do you know how to ride a bike? Right, not right. Right.
I remember. Mom bought me a bike when I was like 10. Gave Kinabi to teach me, and I didn't know. So we all in the end of it, we all did slap.
Actually, the whole Hello family, we don't know how to ride that bike.
And Ching?
Ching doesn't. Ching is my brother. He doesn't.
Adi is your brother.
Oh, our brother. Next question. Let's talk in a few months. I'll have known
How to ride a bike. I'll take you to task.
I am.
Aya. Ulipea kina Gloria ile 18k.
Then I clothe these girls, I feed them, I give them fare.
Don't clothe us. I buy my own clothes.
Oh my gosh. Do you want to say that?
I buy my own food. Adama City School. Kata.
Aya. That's where you stand. Aya. Monday, kesho.
Monday siendi pale. Okay, kesho. Kuna trip nataka kwenda.
Utaenda tu kivyako.
Sio tena kivyangu lakini tandi sponsors.
Tali yako.
Pia yeye anaenda.
So you both need sponsors.
So we only 10.
I ain't. So did I give you the 18,000? Yes or no? Did I give you the 18,000? Yes.
If I say yes, kina Karen watasema sikuwapea. So me, I don't incriminate myself. That's 18K.
You're sure? Kina Karen will they pay for you the other trip you want to go for?
Hata wanaenda. So imagine.
So none of you guys are going.
So gani?
Yeah, until you say the truth.
Which is?
Say it, Gloria. Did
So
I give you the
all,
18,000?
So first of all, me, Karen, Anita.
Did I
and
give
Ken,
you the 18,000?
we are all going for a trip. It's 10K each.
When is
and
that?
we are 4.
When is that?
See, let me tell you first. You wanna say, you want me to tell you when, so that you say we have plans. We don't have plans. We don't have plans.
Anywhere?
No, I saw. It's on New Year's, we need 10,000 each. Guys.
It ain't gonna happen. Me, first of all, New Year's, I won't be around.
See, even us. Stop laughing.
Who's gonna pay for you, whatever it'll be? Me. I am. But there are big sisters and big brothers out there. Please put on the comment section. Put on the comment section how these small people are actually making us poor. We can't buy the best cars. We can't live in the in the best houses.
Guys, wait. Tell me, ni gari gani utapenda 18K in the comment section. Next question.
Alrighty.
So, are there times you said yes, but really felt like saying no? And how did that make you feel?
Horrible. I've said that happens to me almost every day.
Someone comes, babe, take you away, please do this for me. You're like, so I'll do it. Then later you're like, okay, really didn't want to.
Yeah, I mean, it happens. I think you cannot even escape from that. I've said yeses to things I wanted to say no to. But these days, I've gotten the what do you call it? The courage to say no. So these days you can ask me something, I'll say a polite no. I won't say maybe like no, but I'll find a way to avoid you.
Yeah.
Or my answer will just be a no, or I'll critique you.
Yeah.
So I found other ways to say no, because it's very hard for me to say no to people. But I've just found ways to just say no. So I'll ignore you. I will. Okay, and this is everybody will know. So if I've blue ticked you, if I've not returned your call, maybe you
But
wanted.
it makes sense. Sometimes it's so hard to say no. Even me, I think on my DMs, I get so many requests. I'm like, I'm not in a position to fulfill what you want me to do. And I know if I tell you no, there are people who, the moment you engage them and tell them,
no,
I'm sorry, I can't, they push.
No, they push. No, they feel like you opened a can of worms.
Yeah, and they're just
wobbling.
So and then they start pushing and pushing.
Yeah.
But I'd rather just ignore it and be like, okay, she'll understand.
I think ignoring is a way to say no.
Yeah.
I don't have to come and say no. If you ask me something and I'm like, okay, it's me saying no to you, because sometimes it's hard to say that word. But me, I'm finding myself a bit more courageous to actually start to say no. You find that I don't want to go out. My friends want to go out, especially the things that I like to do, fun things.
Yeah.
I'll be like, okay, let's go. And then in the middle of the night, I'm just sitting there. I'm just like, okay, but no. Most of the times, I actually end up being the
life of the party.
The life of a party. But there are other
it.
things, many things. Even with my fans, you just find yourself saying yes to things that you want to say no. But this is I found a way.
Yeah.
To say no.
Yeah.
And I say it and I do it.
And also I feel like
thanks WhatsApp for blue ticks. Thanks.
Thanks WhatsApp for great ticks.
Thanks for any kind of tick WhatsApp. Thank you.
I think of late I've just been in a position where if I don't wanna say if I feel like I don't wanna do it, I don't want to force myself. I don't want to. I won't break a sweat. It's fine to say no. And for you who's asking, always be ready to receive either a yes
or a no,
or even a wait.
Me, I hate rejection.
Even me.
I hate rejection.
But sometimes
it's okay. I reject.
So, your sister Gloria and Karen did a meet and greet. What do you think about that? And would you hold a meet and greet for your fans?
I would hold a meet and greet any day for my fans. Any day. I've ever done a vertical hangout with my fans. I wanted 200 people. We got 700 people. Remember how it was packed? And remember that day I took about 700 selfies. Remember how we took like 2 hours taking selfies?
I remember.
It was crazy, and it was amazing, and I got to meet my fans, and they came from Voi, they came from Twitter. But I remember Isiolo, they came from everywhere across the country, and I was so happy. What I think of Gloria and Karen's, it was great, but it was hurried in planning, and they know. So they did a good thing to hang out, but I think next time they need more time to plan out. More marketing. Giving themselves sense, because it was their first event, it was hurried. They should have taken their time, but they know. But experience sometimes is the best teacher. Sometimes.
Always.
It's not always. Sometimes people lose their lives. So it's not always not the best thing. But the Shikalo Hangout is going to come maybe next year. God willing, inshallah. We'll see if we're going to do it. But probably we will.
2 more weeks to go. So, I know probably you've had this question so many times. I'm
sure.
Nasikia kizunguzungu.
What I mean, nasikia zing.
Ding ding.
It's not bad. I attended.
You had this question so many times. So, do you think, for you and for every other woman out there, do you think age matters when it comes to dating?
Hell
so if you
no.
find a guy who is 21 years of age, but as in that ka chemistry kaingiana, ka compatibility iko, zodiac signs imeingiana, as in nasikia tu
like a Pisces and a Virgo.
A Pisces and a Virgo, Aquarius and a Leo. As in you're just like, whoa, I really want this guy. And he's 21. And right
21.
Now, he's 21. As in, Borako over 18. So so imagine too, in this situation, you're a Pisces. Ken, my boyfriend, is a Virgo.
I can't imagine with your boyfriend.
And he's 21. I don't mind that. Where you find love.
So even if I find love with your boyfriend.
Love is love. Me is to sister.
No. That's a bad advice to give people. People are starting on their sister's boyfriends. Wait.
Me feel like, let me tell you. So will you stand in my? I don't wanna stand in your way, because if he's your destiny, can you imagine? If he's your destiny, I don't want to stand.
Look at how mine is big though, last one.
I say I'm so happy mine is so small. You see, I don't want to stand in your way.
Okay.
I want you to be happy. If he was the one who was written for you, maybe you were supposed to meet him through me. And I don't understand it. Probably I was just a messenger.
That cannot be possible. That cannot be possible. This is the last one, guys. Actually, you saved the best for last. Because the way I'm going to answer this question, I'll trend tomorrow. I'll be trending tomorrow. I know. Kwa mama. Meza. Cheers.
Kula kadogo. Karibi, honestly. Na wewe ndio mkubwa. Hii haijakiki. It's called moto. But I feel like it's bearable. Mama sijakula kuku. Na mimi nimekula kuku.
Damn.
I dental floss. Hapo ingine.
I feel like drinking like this. Check it.
This is my water, kindly. I feel like it was bearable. No, so wait. So this 21-year-old, right now you're 31. So, okay,
you don't have to say it.
They know. So you're 31. So think that when they were being born, you were 10. Think about it like that. So can you still date them?
Age ain't nothing but a number.
Maturity is a choice.
Thank you. Exactly. I think I can date somebody, but not your 21, not your boyfriend. Maybe we can live each other with like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years.
Yeah, yo.
The people in Hollywood who get married to guys 20 years younger than them. I'm not saying this is Hollywood, but we can make our own kind of Hollywood. But I think
not too holly,
not too holly, but a bit of wood.
Yeah, Maisha. As if drunk.
That's not right. So anyway, guys, I think that's it. I'm done with this question. I'm done with this chicken wings. I'm so full. Thank you so much.
Wait. Nasikia. Wewe unasikia kizunguzungu, mimi nasikia.
Mimi nimezoea kufili vile vile.
So, umezoea?
Imwezi wewe ukuchape jini.
Sielewi.
Okay.
So wait, ngoja. So ya mwisho kabisa. Na nilikuwa nimeona mtu ameuliza. Do you ever get dry spell? Si mtu aliuliza. No answer, yes or no. Tumalizane tu na story to cut.
I can already see the blogs.
Sema no. Atadu. Unasikia kizunguzungu?
Dry spell means kama. Is that the real? Sina pesa ama?
Kuna dry spell mean kuna ya do?
Ya do si sana. Hiyo ingine ni gani? I love a bit. I love. I can't have not. I've tried to be celibate. It's hard.
That answers me. We're done. Oh, you've not asked me my question.
Okay. Have you ever been? I'm gonna ask you one question. And when I answer that question, you have to finish that chicken wing. Have you ever been hit on by a girl?
Guy, yes. Yes, gosh.
Guy, for her you will.
I'll eat.
What happened?
So me, first of all, I'm the kind of people who say love is love. So she hit on me. She was really nice to me. Really, really nice. But I just told her I'm not into her. Or I just told her that. Because I really like guys. Yeah. I feel like, but I still feel like love is love. Love is love, and shoot your shot wherever you feel shoot your shot wherever you feel you have a shot. So probably she thought she had a shot. Yeah, love is love. Maybe you find me at a point where guys have messed me up. I don't want none of that anymore. Yeah, why not? Aki, mom. Love is love.
Okay, and with that we finish this edition of Betty Kyalo Lately.
Drops chicken wing.
Drops chicken wing. Thanks, Wings Kenya. That was an amazing meal. But I feel like my lips swollen. Do I look like this?
Yes,
I do.
Now that you've done it.
All right. Cheers.
Bye.